and division. We've started by learning about multiplication, and once you really understand what multiplication means, you can use that learning to help you to understand what division means. So here I have a problem for us, 3 times 4. We know that this is saying that there are 3 groups, and within each group there are 4 tallies. So if you wanted to visualize that, there's 1, 2, 3 groups, and inside each group there is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it doesn't matter if the 4 comes first and then the 3, this is just thinking there's 4 tallies within each of 3 groups. Either which way, I end up with 12 tallies. Now over here, I've written it over in a division problem. Notice you start with the 12. You start with the total number of tallies. What this is telling you is that you're going to take those 12 total tallies and you're going to break them up into 3 groups. So again, I can start by visualizing my 3 groups. Here's group 1, here's group 2, and here's group 3. Now I want to take those 12 and I want to share them equally into those 3 groups. So I would do it like passing out cards. You want to make sure it's fair and that each group gets the same amount. So if I start and give each group 1, 1, 2, 3, I continue to add them until I get up to 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Notice I ended up with 4 in each group. There's a relationship between multiplication and division. In each of them, your 2 smaller numbers tells you how many groups you have and how many goes in each group. The largest number would be the total number of tallies. So if you're trying to solve the division problem and you're missing one of the small numbers, you know you can find it by drawing equal size groups. Let's practice another one together. Here I have a problem where I know I have the large number is 20, so I know I have 20 tallies. And I know I'm dividing it equally into 4 groups. So I would start by visualizing by drawing my 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now some kids get freaked out by the word division, but really division is just sharing equally. It's what you've done since you were a little kid. So I want to take my 20 tallies and I want to share them equally within my 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I've used up all 20 and I've shared it equally amongst the 4 groups, and in the end I ended up with 5 in each group. I want you to solve this next problem in the same way. You start with 18 tallies and share it equally amongst 3 groups. Go ahead and pause the video now to find your answer, and when you're ready, start the video again to check your work. Okay, welcome back. We have 18 tallies and we're going to share them equally within 3 groups. Here's group 1, group 2, and group 3. Now I can take a shortcut and know that if I put 5 in each group, I'd have 5, 10, 15. Now I just need a couple more to get up to 18. 16, 17, 18. Notice I have to have the same amount within each group in order to be fair. In the end, I ended up with 6 in each group. If you got that correct, you can move on to the next activity in the Learning Center.